So she used a Kajabi pipeline. The particular pipeline that my member, actually two of my members used, is the Product Launch OVO pipeline. And the reason why is that particular pipeline, it generates automatically for you the opt-in for the challenge. You've got the opt-in, and you've got, in this case, 10 emails. It was a 10 email sequence. My members all used an event, and the event was the day of their challenge opening up. So there were emails that went out before on a set schedule, before the event. On the day of the event, the emails inviting people to start consuming the content every day started going out. And then after the event, as they opened their carts and as they closed their carts. So they used events instead of just this email sequence. The email sequence was tied to the event, the day the challenge started. You also get these templates for delivering the free challenge content. My preference, so you can see here, you've got the video for your daily video training. And again, you can always do these in Facebook as well as do it on this page. And then you have, this would be today's video, and this would be tomorrow's, and the third day's. So that is kind of the structure. So that's the pipeline you can use. So this is what Kay did. So again, Kay's was free. The difference I would do if it was paid is after they opt in, they would be redirected to a sales page where they were given the VIP option. If they accept, then they go to a checkout page for the $27.47, and then they get subscribed to a different email sequence. But Kay did the event. She did 6 reminder emails on the front end, 7 follow-up emails on the back end. That was delivering the content and announcing the open cart. And she had, hers was a little different. She did 7 days. The 7th day, she did a live Zoom where she opened the cart, and she got people from all over the world. She was thrilled. She had really great response to the live because all the others were pre-recorded content. So if I show you here, and the fact that, Kay's was a little longer because she was going for the 7 days, she created 6 days of content. So this is day 6. You can see that all the videos have been unlocked. Each day was unlocked, because if you go to day 4, the grayed out ones said, of course, those videos were not available yet. Those trainings were not available. But if she clicked on day 1, it popped down here, and that was where she did her video lesson. So Kay's not a fan of Facebook. Her audience isn't necessarily big on Facebook, so she didn't include a Facebook group. It might be something she would do next time. But I will tell you, and I'm not going to lie to you, this was a lot of work. I mean, it was because she was creating the video training. She was doing the whole thing. This is the first time she had done it. But the beauty is she can reuse this anytime that she wants to. She might do a VIP option next time and have a private Facebook group for her VIP members to give them more specifics and dive deeper into the content. So I wanted to let you know, again, that's a couple of different ways that we can do it with Kajabi. You could use a product, or you could use a pipeline using the Product Launch OVO